Picture mo na, bro.
Oh, pa-picture. Magpa-picture sa daw.
Gago. Congrats, sir.
Ay, salamat.
Congrats, sir.
Thank you. Thank you sa inyong effort, sir. Oo. Sir, salamat, sir. Oo. Salamat sa inyong effort.
Picture tayo, sir.
Oo, sige.
Pwede siguro after na magsulod. After entrance.
On red corner, King Ryan McCarthy from Apple MMA.
So guys, I am here in the competition of Muay Thai at Emmanuel School of Davao, School of Manny Pacquiao here in
From Observe
here in Lanang. So my daughter Charlene James is the winner of the competition of the Muay Thai. So salamat kay Lord. Thank you Lord for the strength. Thank you Lord.
Our referee, Rafi Palate.